Hey guys, hey, how you guys are doing? Yes, you guys are doing, because we are having snow tomorrow and the next day, and it has brought in a pressure front, which means that I have really bad headache. I actually went and refilled my migraine, like my eye doesn't even open up all the way. Um, I actually went and opened up, no, hold on. I actually went and refilled my migraine medication. I'm trying to open my eye so it doesn't look crazy. I'm like, somebody's gonna be like, "Are you having a stroke?" No, I have a headache. Okay, let's just do that for a second. All right. Anyway, um, so Evelyn is at work, which means that I'm home alone, which is fine. It'll probably be a snow day tomorrow, and a snow day the next day. It's like right behind my eye. Like it's literally like if I could just poke my finger behind my eye, I could touch what hurts. And then it goes all the way back here, like to the back of my ear and like to the back of my head, and I'm like, why? So, today, sorry guys, that bathroom light's about to kill me, but I didn't think you guys would be able to see me, and I didn't make a video today because I've been having it rough. Um, so what was I going to tell you about? Yeah, so I went out and got my blood work done. So my vitamin K, my vitamin D, my iron, and my ferritin levels were taken. And I'm on my second bottle of water. If Where's your water? Where's your water? I'm always gonna ask because it is so important for you guys to drink your water. Drink your water. That one's half done, which means that probably in the next 3 or 4 hours I will need to refill it. I'm trying really hard to get all of that in, because it only helps. I'm trying to figure out. I'm kind of not watching MasterChef. Kind of have it playing in the background. Oh, with the TV lights turned down low. So I just have some kind of noise, because otherwise I'm not having it. I have something adorable, if you guys would like to see it, that happens to be sleeping next to me. It's a Yu. She's like, I was warm and snuggled and laying on your leg. I don't know why you've moved me. But yes, I'm sorry I moved you. I'm sorry. But I know that everybody would like to see. Yeah. Everyone would like to see the Yuki. Saki is laying on the other bed being antisocial as per usual. So, yeah. Um, I went into the BX as much as I did not want to, because I needed to get some hairspray for Evelyn. We've been doing her, if you guys haven't noticed, we've been doing her hair up in a military bun. And though I use gel on her hair, some of the pieces just don't stick down. So I bought some extra firm um, extra firm hairspray. God. And I also lucked out and found some baby wipes. So now I have baby wipes for every bathroom instead of just one. And then I found some alcohol. So but it's the wintergreen. Now, I don't understand why they make wintergreen smelling alcohol. If someone could enlighten me on why the fuck anyone needs wintergreen smelling alcohol, because like ew, like do people drink it? Like what? Why is it wintergreen? Why? It stinks to high heaven. I'm like, oh my god. Oh, that is nasty. That is nasty. But it's whatever. At least I found some. I was like, okay, I'll take literally whatever. So I found like 4 things that I needed. I needed baby wipes, and I needed eye, and I needed those 4 things. And then I came back to the car, and then we went home. So I take Maxalt, Maxalt, Maxalt for my migraines, because pain medicine that I have for my body pain doesn't do anything for migraines, and Tylenol doesn't do anything for migraines either. So, not mine anyway. So, yeah, it really is the weather that's killing me. So, the thought of us getting out of here sounds so good right about now. But we'll see. That's still, happening as far as we know. Anything, it's the military, anything can change. Anything at all can change. Like, they could tell us at the very last moment, after we packed up everything, after we put everything away, after we've gotten in the truck and we've made it halfway down there, they could call us and tell us that, never mind, because they could do that. They could have her take 2 classes and send her back here and wait for clearance to take the 3rd one. So we could literally go down there for just a month and have to come back here and wait. It's crazy. But that's military life, and we're going to do the very best that we can with what we got. Like I said, we're not leaving this house under any circumstances. The dogs have an appointment at 1:30 on Monday. I'm going to get them microchipped, and I'm going to get all their shots and all the stuff ready, just to get their wellness check done and stuff like that. It's been needed to be done, but it needs to be done because we can't stay in a hotel and we can't stay anywhere if they don't have their rabies shots and all their Bordetella bullshit, Rutamega, whatever the hell they have to take, without them. And I want, even though they never leave my sight. If for some weird fucking reason, one of them got lost, I want them to be chipped. So that's just, it's super important because my babies. I made chicken tacos the other day, and that's what Evelyn's been eating on. So today I have not been terribly hungry, which is okay because I have gained God knows how much. Like, and I'm like, I just don't care at this point. Like, I'm just kind of like surviving. I'm on like survival mode. So it's whatever. I'll lose it or gain it off and on. Not being able to use my bike or work out in the gym is a detriment to me because I really enjoy it, number 1. And number 2, it helps with, like weight gain, and it helps with, calories in and calories out. Like, so it's just, I would prefer to actually work out. Now, I did do some housework, which gave me like 300 calories worth of housework. So that was nice. So at least I had that. Of course, 300 calories ain't jack shit, really. So this video is very, 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 very short for what I've been doing lately. If nobody told you today that you are loved, please let me tell you that. You are loved. Nobody told you today that you are beautiful. You are beautiful. You are kind. You are unique. You are special. There's only one of you. You would be missed. You are needed. You are definitely worthy, and I am proud of you no matter what you were able to accomplish today. Even if, just like me, you've been laying in bed and can't manage to do much. Like, I'm still super proud of you. I hope everybody is staying safe. I hope everybody is warm and safe and sound and everyone is okay and all your family members are doing all right. And I just want to thank you for spending a little bit of time with me today. And I hope everyone's doing okay. And please let me know down below what's going on in your life. I'm always interested. So I love your beautiful, gorgeous, amazing faces. And I will talk to you very, very, very soon. Mwah. Bye.